Hi there. Okay, I don't see you in a while. And I just joking. Okay, so in this video, we are talking about how awesome you are. Okay? Yes. Okay. What do you think? You are awesome or not? I think you are awesome. Yes, I think so. You, you think also. Same as me. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So, yes. Okay. First time I met you, then you are very nice and awesome. Yes, and good, and special also. Yeah, I'm well. I'm I am cool and good boy. Yes. Okay, so we I have ideas. I have ideas. Um, I have a question you. How would you to talk continue talking about how awesome you are? Yes? Yeah. Mm. And good. Well. Okay. In this video I am planning to talk about how awesome you are. Yes, because I wanted that. Yes, I want. So, how are you today? Are you great? Yeah? Well, I am fine. Thanks for asking. It's very kind and nice and kind and nice and kind. Okay, so I was thinking how would you? Yes, you are awesome. Mm, that means you are great. Yes, it means that. Yeah, you are great to hear me and yes, yes, awesome is the example. Example, you want to win the game. You want to win. Then you try to so hard, but you lose in the first time. Yeah, and click again. Then you wanted to win to get some money, isn't it? Yeah. You try your best. Yeah. Ow. Then you won. Yes. That's the game. Yes, that's awesome. Mm. Or example, you are helping me something. Yes, that's very awesome. Awesome. great. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm fine, thanks. Yeah, because it's morning. Yes, and the sun is shining. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Yeah. Mm. And the birds is singing the happy song. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I want to ask you another question. Can I? Yeah. I can. I can. Yeah. Good. Yes. Well. Can I? Can I? Uh, can I or I can? It's same, but yes. Can I is forward and I can is backward. It's backward. Yes. So can I and I can. Yeah. So you understand. Yeah. So okay, we are done with the how awesome you are. Yes, now we are going to see my teeth. How many teeth do you have? No, do I have? Yes, I can see them a lot of teeth. Yes, I knew because yes, the teeth are really good at brushing. Yes, your teeth. Yeah. Mm. So nice and clean afterwards. Yeah. What's that? Ah, it's nothing. Okay, so it's important to clean your teeth in the morning and in the night. Yes, in the bathroom. In the bathroom. Yes. Put in your toothpaste. Yes. Yes. Like that. First, you have to grab a toothbrush. Yes, and take a toothpaste. Yes, and put on the tooth toothbrush in a toothpaste paste. Then you brush it. Very gently, very gently, yes, and very awesome. So, yeah, yes, I like to talk about you. Yes, okay, now we are done with the cleaning teeth. Okay, now we are continue the outside. Yes, outside it's morning and the sky is blue and bright. Yeah. And all of this grass and all of these trees and lamps and walls. No, actually, it's one wall. Yes, and a wall and bench. Yeah, and table. Table. Oh yeah, table. And chairs. Yes. Yes. Yeah, so maybe sometimes flowers, but it's often a flower to grow up in a garage. Yes. So I want to ask you something. So how are you? Are you fine? Are you fine? Yeah, I'm great today because it's shining. The sun is shining and yellow. Yeah, of course. And the sun rises up. The sun is rising up. The sun already rised up. Yes. Silly me. Okay. Crazy of me. Yeah. Yeah, it's great outside. That's problem. I don't like to walking outside. Walking. Yes. It's so boring. Yes. Oh, to walk always. Silly. Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah, it's boring. Do you like to walk a lot? Yeah, you do. You do. Well, I do a little, not always. It's boring to me. Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. This is the end of this video, but what I say, we see you me again.